team form. First of all, we'd like to introduce ourselves. We are this side, Fun this side.
This side.
We are this side.
We are of the class 9. This project is under 18, that is adult Indian class. Our school's name is PhD Chemical Engineering. The theme is innovation for daily life. Our project's name is Time Management Smart. First of all, we'd like to discuss some problems that we students face in our daily life. Students often lose track of study or school schedules. Managing time between subjects is difficult, especially in research. They forget to take break or switch subject on time. While trying to study on one subject, they lose track of other subjects. The goal of this project is that it stays current subject, meaning the current project we are working on, or the task to be done, meaning the task we are supposed to complete. Give others any time to change the date or take waste. This shows countdown for time left in each schedule period.
The methodology of this project is the RTC module keeps the real-time track. Arduino compares the current time with your timetable. It turns on the LED for the active period. The LCD shows subject name and remaining time. The buzzer alerts you when it's time to switch orders.
The advantages of this project are it improves time management for students and reduces stress and income. Encourages punctual study habits and regularity, easy to customize for different timetables and schedules.
The feature improvements that we'd like to add are to add mobile connectivity via Bluetooth Wi-Fi connection. Vocal alerts like now it's time for maths when we want to change the subject. Data logging for attendance and productivity. Solar powered version for eco-friendliness. Replace button and touch sensors or simple voice commands like next subject when we want to change the subject or extend time and give more time to complete one. This is the current prototype of our time management smart board, and this is the future model we'd like to create. The conclusion of this subject is that the time management smart board turns ordinary study into smart time. It helps students stay organized, focused and control, proving that even in critical innovation, every minute